Hi students, good morning one and all. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about computer memory. What is computer memory? Computer memory is any physical device capable of storing information temporary or permanent. Memory electronic components that store instructions, data and result consist of one or more chips on motherboard or other circuit board. Each byte stored in unique location called an address, similar to seat in corner hall. Now discuss here about classification of computer memory. Memory are divided into mostly three types, but generally used two: internal process memory, main memory and secondary memory. But in our syllabus only two types memory: main memory and secondary memory. So now discuss one by one. Internal processor memory, a small high speed memory inside the processor, temporary storage of instructions and data, example register, built in cache. Main memory, it is relatively large memory placed outside the processor, data and instruction storage for the operation of the processor, can be accessed directly and rapidly by the CPU, example RAM and ROM. Images of main memory, every student see, this is the figure of main memory. Now main memory are divided into two types, RAM and ROM. RAM, what is the full form of RAM? Random access memory. What is random access memory? A temporary storage that can be read from or retained into by the user. RAM, also called the volatile memory. Every location can be accessed independently. Access time for every location is constant and independent of its position. RAM are basically two types, dynamic RAM and static RAMs. And next one is the ROM, read-only memory, a class of storage used in computer and other electronic devices. Data stored in it cannot be modified. RAM, also called the non-volatile memory. Types of ROM, there are so many types of ROM, mostly used PROM, EPROM, EEPROM are mostly used types of ROM in a computer. Now discuss here about secondary memory, much larger in capacity but slower than main memory. Permanent storage of data and instruction, example hard disk, CD, floppy, pen drive, chip pad, etc. This is, students, this is an example of secondary storage device, secondary memory, like CD, DVD, digital devices, memory sticks, floppy disk, smart media and tape media, etc. Conclusion, memory is an important part of computer. Without memory, probably a computer is on no use in a greater sense. Hopefully all students understand what is memory of a computer. Thank you.